Hi everyone! Trailers are perfect for camping, there is no denying that, but at times they could feel a little overcrowded and too small to fully enjoy your stay. However, what if we told you that there is a special breed of campers out there that can transform and change shape, making sure there is always plenty of room and creature comforts? Welcome to Must See Tech, and here are 10 amazing transformer trailers that can guarantee super convenient outdoor getaways. Opera from Vos Design. This beautiful transformer trailer is a creation of an Australian entrepreneur Rob Vos and the top Belgian designer Axel Enthoven. The exterior was based on the world-famous Sydney Opera House with expandable patio and truly vast interior space. There are electronically adjustable twin beds that could be easily transformed into one king size, and chilly nights won't be a problem due to internal heater. Perfect positioning of Opera could be done without a hassle using the built-in compass, so you could always greet the sunrise. Even though this camper might not be so impressive from the practical standpoint, it is truly a remarkable sight that reminds of a luxury sail yacht. Hitch Hotel. Originally, the idea of a Hitch Hotel emerged as a secure storage space for transporting bicycles. However, it soon evolved into an expandable trailer for overnight adventures. This is the world's first expandable wheelless trailer supported by a vehicle's hitch. Built from T6 aluminum and lightweight fiberglass, the Hitch Hotel will fit on any crossover or SUV with a Class 3 hitch. In its closed position, the camper has over 60 cubic feet of secured, watertight space that can sleep up to 3 adults. This project was originally funded via Kickstarter, and at the moment it is sold at a discounted price of $3,200. But in 2019 the cost will jump up to $4,300, so if you're interested in getting this camper box, hurry up to place an order and save up some money. Opus Kemper. Opus is rather famous for building practical overland trailers that could be turned into fully equipped sleeping quarters. At the moment, their flagship model is an ultra-lightweight inflatable camper Air Opus that comes in 2 options, original and off-road. AirPole technology is an automatic system that ensures there is no battle with traditional tent poles or cranking systems. They were removed entirely, and now the installation of this camper takes only 90 seconds. Off-road version features an upgraded all-terrain chassis with off-road ready tires and independent cowl suspension, perfectly suited to follow you wherever you want to go. The trailer is available in 4 levels of comfort, all sleeping at least 4 people, and offering luxury accommodation with double foam mattresses, kitchenette, gas burner top, sink, and a couch bed. Tycoon the travel machine. This trailer, designed by French startup Tycoon, is actually extremely versatile and spacious, all due to its simple expandable mechanism that triples the pod in size and is activated with a push of a button. The transformed cabin stands 6.2 feet high, allowing even a tall person feel comfortable inside. Plus, the side extensions add even more room in the kitchen area and create enough space to fit a full-sized bed. The travel machine even has a wet-room bathroom featuring a shower-toilet combination. After being in the works for 4 years, the travel pod is offered in 4 layouts that sleep 4 people and are completely modular. Trailman 2922. Based on the company's best-selling 2720 series, this is a new compact and lightweight transformer trailer that can be towed by most crossovers, minivans and SUVs when properly equipped, of course. It also fits in a standard car garage and is extremely easy to set up, as the process takes only 2 minutes. Trailman 2922 is available in 3 floor plans that accommodate from 4 to 6 people. One has a 2-bed layout, and the other 2 featuring either a slide-out living room or a dinette. All modifications are fitted with a king-size bed, full kitchen with a fridge, oven and a stovetop, and a bathroom with a shower and recirculating toilet. Hitch Hotel. This is an unusual entry on our list, since the rest of the lineup are trailers, and this one is based on the Mercedes-Benz Actros truck and is leaning towards a Class A motorhome. Hitch Hotel expands both sideways and upwards, and when fully installed, can accommodate up to 10 people in shared and separate rooms, with a large dining area, bathrooms, and even sunbathing platforms. If you want to live in this hotel on wheels, you will have to visit Portugal, where the couple of surfers travel along the Atlantic Ocean and host people together with training them how to surf and giving them yoga sessions. Alto from Safari Condo. The most popular camper trailer by the Canadian Safari Condo is no doubt the Alto R Series. The main reason is its compact size that lets it fit into an average garage with just 7 feet height, and the roomy interior when the roof is lifted up with 6 feet 9 inches tall ceiling. Alto's spaciousness could be easily noticed, since the front dining area is usable even when the bed is deployed. It can sleep 4 people, and there is even an optional indoor shower. Due to the unique aerodynamic shape, the trailer has 75% less drag coefficient, and the lightweight aluminum construction allows it to be towed by the most compact cars and small SUVs. The caravan sits on the independent flexi-ride suspension and has very low center of gravity, providing great stability. Safari Condo Alto R Series is sold at dealerships across Canada and could be purchased directly from the factory if you live in the US. Bower 3X. Have you ever seen drawings of the future Moon and Mars colonies? If so, you must be familiar with the design of Bower Kemper that looks like an extraterrestrial habitat. In under 30 seconds, this compact trailer can triple in size due to the use of a special expandable mechanism, providing you with fast 130 square feet of room. It is really hard to imagine, but when unfolded, this tiny thing looks more like a 2-bedroom apartment that has a fully equipped kitchen with a fridge, sink and a 2-burner stove, plus a bathroom with a cassette toilet and a sink shower system. This trailer can sleep a family of 4 or have you host friends with a double bed and a folding sofa. Kankuro UEB 490 Extreme. Kankuro International is a South African company that originally designed and manufactured trailers for military purposes and later transitioned to road camping and safari market. Nowadays, they have dealerships on multiple continents, and their campers are renowned for their durability and toughness. Kankuro UEB 490 Extreme is the current flagship model of the entire lineup. It has patented independent suspension system, massive tires and electric 12-inch brakes. When the trailer is fully set up, it looks like a large hut with all of the amenities, including but not limited to air-conditioned interior, all LED lighting, 40 gallons of water with outside bathroom, fridge and freezer, sleeping space for 4 adults, and a full kitchen setup. Gidget Retro Kemper. Gidget Teardrop Retro Kemper, developed by the company of the same name, is a very lightweight trailer with a unique patented slide-out feature that allows to almost double the cabin's interior space. The lounge with a queen-size bed provides the sleeping space for 2 people and also can be turned into a bench and a table, while the rear side of the trailer features a fully equipped kitchen except for the refrigerator. Unfortunately, the trailer can no longer be ordered, as at the start of the 2018, Gidget Retro Kemper went bankrupt and its factory got liquidated. But let's hope that the company's good work will be cut up by some other manufacturer. How did you like our Transformer lineup? Did we miss some of the shape-shifting trailers? Let us know in the comments below. We have covered lots of different types of campers already, so we do recommend you watching other videos suggested on the screen. Subscribe if you like our type of content and share with your friends. See you soon!